Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're turning you into an outdoor furniture cushion buying pro. Because let's face it, your backside deserves nothing but the best. So what makes a great outdoor cushion? It's not just about the cushy factor, although that's important too. Let's break it down. First up, your cushion materials matter. Look for cushions made with high-quality, weather-resistant fabrics like Sunbrella. A high-quality performance outdoor fabric resists fading, mold, and mildew, so your cushions stay fresh season after season. Here's an important tip for you. Measure twice, buy once. The proper way to measure your cushions is from seam to seam. This ensures a good furniture fit, and nothing's worse than ill-fitting cushions. Next, style it out. Choose cushions that complement your existing outdoor aesthetic. Whether you're going for beach vibes or modern chic, there's a cushion style for you. And if you're worried that you won't be able to find those perfect patio cushions, Patio Productions can make custom cushions to fit into your outdoor vibe. Don't forget about good patio cushion care and maintenance. Look for cushions that are easy to clean. Again, we love Sunbrella fabrics because they can often be cleaned with just a brush and some water. And don't forget those little cushion details. Things like welting, that's the piping around the edges, as well as cushion ties can make a big difference in both looks and functionality. Now here's a pro tip. Beware of super cheap cushions. Companies often cut costs on cushions to lower prices, but you'll almost always pay for it in comfort and durability. At Patio Productions, we're all about quality. That's why we use Sunbrella fabrics, Tenara sewing thread, and Dacron-filled cushions in our products. It's the ultimate trifecta for outdoor comfort and longevity. Want to learn more about choosing the perfect outdoor cushions? Check out the link in the description below for our full, comprehensive guide. And when you're ready to upgrade your outdoor living space, head over to patioproductions.com. Your perfect patio paradise is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and here's to bringing life outdoors.